Hello and welcome to ET Garage. Today we're back on the vet and maybe that bracket again. Hello and welcome to ET Garage. I'm Eugene Torto. People ask me what ET Garage stands for, and ET is my initials, Eugene Torto, for people who are wondering out there. But today I'm going to do a little bit finagling with that one throttle bracket. I made that. If you haven't been following, I have a playlist on this Chinese intake. Something tells me I'll be doing more on that Chinese intake. If you're looking for a recommendation on this Chinese intake, don't buy it. That'll save you all the trouble of watching all those videos. Bad for me, good for you. But it's not that it's real bad, it's just you're better off spending the extra money on the real Edelbrock Pro Flow XT. I'm not sponsored by anybody. Anything I show in my videos, I don't get paid for or anything like that. Like I did a review of those Hyper Tough ratchet, extended ratchet, cordless ratchet from Walmart, and yeah, that I'm not associated with them in any way. That's all out of my pocket and all that good stuff. But anyway, give a quick update. Last video was on the transmission leak. I fixed the transmission leak that I intended to fix. However, I'm still seeing like a drip under there, so I still got a leak somewhere else I got to take care of. I don't want to deal with that now. I really don't want to crawl under this car again at my age. But that's part of it. If you're going to be doing stuff like that, that's part of it. That or, pay someone else to do it, which is not in my budget. But get back to this bracket. Let me get a closer up view of that, and I'll show you what I got to do. Okay, this is the throttle bracket. It holds the throttle cable, the cruise control cable, and what's really important if you have an automatic is the kickdown cable right here. Now this is working fine, and right here I got to do a voiceover because the GoPro decided to stop working. But everything's working fine. It's just that the bracket is off by about, I don't know, a little over a quarter inch, about 300 thousandths to be exact. So what I'm going to do is make some spacers and just move it out. So let's go over to the 3-in-1 machine, and we'll get busy on doing that. All right, here we are over at my 3-in-1 machine. This old 3-in-1 machine, a shop task. This I think I bought this before they invented the internet. That's how old this machine is. Even though I say it's a piece of junk, which it is, it's saved my butt many times, and it's great for projects like this. I'm just going to stick this piece of bar stock that I have laying around. I don't know, I can't remember where I got this piece of bar stock from. Could have been a shaft from something. I don't know. I can't remember. But it's going to go in there. I'm going to go ahead and center drill it, and then I'm going to cut it off two different lengths for what I feel is the appropriate space that I need, and mount it on that bracket and see if that works. All right, there we go. A couple of spacers. I'll get that bracket off, get these on, see how everything lines up. Should line up pretty good, I hope.
there it is. It's a lot better than it was. And this seam's lined up a lot better. The kickdown cable and the throttle cable. This is still off a little. It probably could have came out just a little bit more. But I'm going to leave it right there the way it is. I'm happy with it for now. Unless I have problems with it. I wasn't having problems with it the way it was, but this is just better. So let's get to wrapping this video up.
All right, I think that wraps it up for today. I'm pretty happy with that bracket, or happier with that bracket. Let's put it that way. I'll probably never be happy with it. It's one of those things, nitpicky things for that throttle bracket, but it's a lot better than it was. The other day I made a sensor bung for the intake air sensor, because on the original tune port it was mounted on the plenum, and when I did this intake, if you've been following, I moved it to the in front of the throttle body. I just made a hole in the rubber air tube that goes from the air cleaner to the throttle body and stuck it in there. Yesterday I made a bung for that, a proper bung, so it's in there nice and secure and no air leaks and all that good stuff. I didn't film that, sorry about that, but there's other things I want to do if I decide to stay with this intake, which I probably will. I'll probably get a big hunk of aluminum and machine my own thermostat housing, because even though that thermostat housing that I have on there works fine, and I had to make an adapter and take another piece of hose and adapt those two hoses together, which ain't no big deal. I just don't like the way it looks. I think it would look better if the factory hose just went right onto a thermostat housing with no adapter and another piece of hose there. It's just, one link in the chain that you don't have to worry about breaking, so to speak. Hopefully this Saturday I'll get to do a test and tune. I haven't done a test and tune in years. I wanted to do it last year. The weather didn't look right. I think they still had it, but the weather didn't look right, but I didn't go. That's the way this Saturday's looking. They're talking possible chance of rain and snow. It's so it's just that time of year. The weather's real crazy. It's 2024 spring. The weather is crazy all over the U.S. I'd like to get out and test drive this some more. I'm real happy with the tune on this, but I still got to do like wide open throttle pulls, and the cold start's a little funky. It starts right up, but it's just the idle's funky until it warms up. So I just need to fine tune that. That's another project for another day. I'm going to end this video here and get to editing and uploading this video. So I hope everybody has a great day, and God bless.